So I decided to look at REM or rapid eye movement, sleep deprivation, and memory. And so I decided to look at how REM sleep and memory are connected and how they can affect each other. And as you know, REM sleep is the fourth stage of sleep when the body is completely relaxed and immobilized. This is when dreaming occurs, and of course, this is when the eyes move rapidly. And the question that I wanted to ask is, does REM sleep deprivation affect memory? And for my studies, the specific memories that I will be looking at is explicit memory, which is the conscious recall, implicit memory, which is unconscious recall, and memory processing. And so the first study that I looked at was by Sarah J. Casey, Luke C. Solomons et al. And they were just trying to determine whether deprivation of REM sleep would affect the explicit and implicit memory tasks, such as episodic visual spatial recall tasks, visual priming in a lexical decision task, and explicit verbal recall tasks. And so what they did was have participants complete a set of explicit and implicit memory tasks, like I just mentioned, before sleep, and they completed the same tasks in the morning after a night of REM sleep deprivation. And they also did this on controlled sleep nights. And the results that they found were that REM sleep deprivation affected the explicit verbal recall, but it did not have an effect on short term or working memory or any verbal implicit memory tasks. And this held true through the control as well. And the next study that I was looking at was Ramon Greenberg, Chester Perlman et al. And they were just looking at, does REM sleep deprivation affect different aspects of memory processing? And they did this to figure out the role that REM sleep deprivation played in memory processing a little more precisely. And so the methods that they used, they had the subjects complete a series of tests, including Sternberg's test of scanning of immediate memory, past and personal and non-personal memory, and past emotional memories after different conditions of sleep. And the results that they found were that REM sleep deprivation only affected emotionally important, or sorry, past emotionally important memories. And this was specifically because the access to the emotion connected with the memories was decreased after REM sleep deprivation. And so, in conclusion, REM sleep deprivation does have an effect on different types of memory, specifically explicit, implicit memory, and the past emotional memory processing. And this is my references page. Thank you guys.